So I'd like to demonstrate cross-hatching or hatching. Hatching is a technique that uses parallel lines at a 45-degree angle to create form, to model form. So the way that we do it is we're going to take our pencil and we're going to hold it at the very end to take the weight off the point of the pencil. That way we could make very light lines over the paper. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and hatch this section right here. And these lines are very methodically applied next to each other to create this very beautiful pattern that creates the appearance of a solid tone. Now that's hatching, but cross-hatching uses lines at a different angle, at 30-degree angle, and you could just cross those lines to create a more solid tone. This was a technique used by Renaissance masters to create volumes. Now you could combine the cross-hatching with the technique that we've already learned, which is graining, and you could transition the graining tones with the hatching. So you could do this. You could grain these tones, make them very solid, and then transition them into a hatch pattern. This is very effective when modeling figure drawings or still lifes. It creates a lot of volume and it gives a lot of beauty and discipline to the graphic quality of the drawing. So that's a demonstration on hatching and cross-hatching.